October 12th to 14th in Barbados, organized by the SIEWI Institute of Education, West Indies. For the people who don't know the SIEWI Institute of Education, West Indies, what can you tell us about it?
Well, the SIEWI Institute of Education, in partnership with the institutes in USA and Canada, and operating under the Education Committee of the Satyasai International Organization, is hosting this conference on international, on values education, on strengthening values education in the home, in the school, in the workplace, and the community in Barbados in October 12th to 14th, 2023. The SIEWI Institute will illustrate and emphasize the efficacy of our unique program called Satyasai Education in Human Values, and will directly engage with ministers of education, permanent secretaries, principals, teachers, and other stakeholders from civil society from both the private and public sector. Our goal is to increase the awareness of the need to strengthen the practice of human values, because human values are eternal. They were before we came, and in the home, school, workplace, and community. And to initiate a plan of action which can provide each country with the opportunity to embed human values into the educational system and the community through programs and professional training courses coordinated by us. And for what we do, we don't charge for our service, nor is there any charge for registering for our conference.
It sounds very good. It sounds very interesting. And it's something that every country here in the Caribbean can profit from.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because what is unique about this, because there are many similar types of programs, I imagine, but what is unique, and our program has been developed and implemented over 50 years in 120 countries. What is unique is that, A, the program teaches each individual, starting with who is going to be using it, the teacher, that you have to experience the values which are all within us. You don't go to the store next door to buy 2 pounds of truth. It's all within you. So how do you bring it out? And what does bring out mean? Bring out means to translate into actions in your deeds of daily living. Secondly, this is not a program that causes you to change. I'm going to use this shirt instead of that. No, this is a lifelong transformational project, because education, very often we focus on the best degrees, the best marks, how to get the best university. But that is only for making a living. But education is for life.
Yes.
And who gave you the education? Is it not the society that allowed you to go to these institutions? Should you not therefore give back to society that gave you the opportunity? So that is part of the concept of what we do, you know. And as I say, our organization is a non-profit organization. We don't seek to raise funds from anyone by public appeal, and neither do we charge for any of our facilities. But we ensure that we work with you as long as needed to ensure the integrity of the program is maintained.
Is it for everybody? Everybody can come to the conference?
Technically, yes, but it is really intended for decision makers in education, decision makers in parenting, decision makers in the workplace, CEOs, heads of department, or in community organizations like Rotary, Optimist, because you're already having some programs, but if you can benefit with our program that helps you to make it a lifelong transformational project, you don't have anything to lose.
Do you know if there's a lot of interest from Curacao?
Yes, there is. In fact, from the entire Caribbean, we have had about 300 plus people who have signed up, and over 50% with an educational background. Over 10 different countries have confirmed their officials from education ministries to attend. And we have doctors, professionals from all levels who have signed up to attend.
Very interesting.
Sorry?
It's very interesting.
It is. It is, and what is also different is that we are focusing to bring our whole region together because we have unique differences, but we have many things in common.
Yes.
How can we find a common approach, a consensual approach, and still adapt it to our individual areas? This program may originate in India, but we don't seek to transport it here. What we aim to do is to bring the seed, plant it in your local soil so it blends with your culture and works uniquely in each country.
Blends it in the Caribbean culture because, like you said, the Caribbean consists of different countries. They're all different, but they have some, especially like a topic with education, have a lot in common.
That is correct.
Okay.
And we have a website, which is the initials of our organization, SIEWI.org. And the full details of our program online, a video is online, the program is online. We have speakers coming from about 6 different continents and countries. We have Africa, Gabon, we have Greece, Australia, Latin America, Ecuador, Trinidad and Tobago, United States. So we are showcasing the best of our SSEHV leadership to demonstrate, not to talk about it, but to show you what impact we have had over the years. So you can benefit and ask questions, see how it will be, whether it will be beneficial for those countries to do it.
But it's very practical because the people who attend the conference can take this back to their own country.
That is correct. And as I say, we are willing, our whole objective is to showcase it. And any country that wants to work, we will work with you one-on-one as long as it takes to get it done. And we do not charge for our service.
Can you explain me why you don't charge for the services?
When you go outside and you get rain falling, do you ask them which debit card I have to pay you? There are certain things that are gifts from the divine. Education, water, air. It is that philosophy that it is not unnatural to think what you're doing, what can I get for it? But we have to go beyond that. Like, for example, some professions are vocations. Your teacher becomes like a second parent to the children. Do they get paid for that extra? No. It is what you give. So that is the reason we don't charge for it. We have it, we want to share. And we believe in the philosophy of abundance. As you think, so you become. When you share, other things will come back.
Very good. It's very interesting, very impressive too. When people want more information, where can they go?
As I told you, our website is SIEWI.org for Thai Institute of Education, West Indies. All the information is there, and we can connect with email. We can register for the program. There's no charge. You can even register to be a volunteer if you want.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the information. Very interesting.
Thank you so much for having us, and we really appreciate your opportunity to share what we do.
Thank you. Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Bye.